In this video, I will show you how to display PHP version in WordPress website. So search this plugin display PHP version. Display the currently installed PHP version in the at a glance. Currently installed PHP version in the at a glance admin dashboard widget. So install and activate. Now here click on dashboard. Now here guys you will see at a glance section, and here you will see this PHP version. In my case it's running PHP version 7.4.3.0. 7.4.30. So this is the easy to use and find out version of PHP. Thanks for watching, and please share, like and subscribe the channel for more useful videos.